Yeah, well, we're recording this, so be quiet. A lot of things have changed in 2020. And here in 2021, the studio has made a lot of changes too. And let's go take a look at that. Along with my desk, a new workstation to work from home. And it's pretty bare in here, except for my bike. Another thing, since 2020, my dyes have been dormant in my pot. So sad. I just want to get into it. Hey there, Christine from Unique Sapphire. I know 2020 has been tough. 2021, we're just getting it started and we're still dealing with the same stuff. So I want to thank all the new subscribers and the people that keep watching my videos, even though I haven't posted any. So hence, this is why I'm posting one now, is to thank you. And thank you for your continued support. So for starters, let's see what you guys did last year in 2020 and early 2021 with your finished objects. I finished a shawl and a queen size all cotton crocheted blanket. Yes, it fits on my queen size bed. That was the big 2020 project that was on my hooks. So what was on yours? Hooks or needles? Let me know in the comment section below. In 2020, it also took a toll on getting items in stock. So am I glad that I took the little bit of time off? Because I could show you here up on the screen that finally in 2021, they're getting yarn bases back into stock for everyone out there to dye. So it has been really tough on not just you, me, but every industry. Just take a look at your grocery stores. Some things are still off the shelf. So with that being said, I want to know if you guys want me to start up my videos again. And what would you like to see? What would you like to do, you know? Whether it be more dyeing, more learning how to do stuff, more finished objects, you know, projects. Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, I want you guys to stay safe and be careful out there. And I'll see you in the next one. It's great seeing you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.